Hi, today I'm sharing to all parents out there highly recommended portable high chair for toddlers. It has worked for an infant that can sit up. This has been a very well loved, and thankfully we've had this in our arsenal to kind of live with a child. It attaches to so many different types of chairs. I personally have not found one where it didn't work. And for demo purposes, I attached it to one of our odd shaped bar stool and it still works snugly. It comes with a cushion on the seat and the back and a 3-point harness, as well as a removable table. So depending on the chair and the table you are using it, you can either take this off, use it and push it against the table so the child can use the table itself, or you can use it freestanding with this table. It snaps on and comes right off. There are 2 settings for the table to bring closer or further away from baby. It is attached via buckle in the back of the chair and a strap under the chair. The buckle is very long, so adjustable to any width, to fit any chair width. So as you can see, I've been really happy with it. It is super sturdy and it folds easily for transport or portability. I can show you how it folds out and the dimensions of it once folded. So I can show you how easily it is to uninstall. Say you're in a restaurant. This is what I really love about it. When you're in a restaurant, I don't want to take a lot of time to take out the high chair. So at first, I take out the table, and this table snaps on right in the back. To remove it, and you take the snap off from the back and then a snap off from the bottom, and here it is. What you do is there's a notch in the front that you squeeze with 2 fingers. The seat lifts up and it folds. And I'm going to show you how clean it is to transport. It's folds flat. See, it snaps on with these notches. And now you can easily take your time to tighten the strap so it's not hanging all over the place. They pretty much tuck anywhere you need it to, so it's not hanging, but you can really carry it without even having to worry about the strap. Now my husband tends to leave it loose, but for me, I like to tighten it up so that not much hangs off. And we really just stick this in the back, in the trunk, in the back seat, and it goes anywhere with us in a restaurant. Super easy. Now, for demo purposes, I'm going to show you how quickly it is to install. So once you get to the restaurant, you don't want to be faffing around. You do exactly the opposite. Squeeze the notches right in the front, opens it up, put the seat down, fit it to the chair. Let me show you the 3-point harness. It also comes with a cushion here. And this fabric, or I should say this material, is easy to wipe down and just snaps. Again, you can leave the table in the back if you don't need it, depending on the type of table you have. Easily tightens. Snap in the bottom. And tightens right in the back. Super sturdy. Again, because it's plastic and this kind of leather material, it's not true leather. It does wipe down nice and clean. And look at this, guys. It has been 2 years of constant use for this, and it is spotless. Beautiful. I highly recommend it. I promise you, it's gonna come in handy. It can even fit in a flat in a big backpack if you need to take it anywhere. Fantastic for packing in luggage as well if you want to fly somewhere, because it's flat packed and it weighs nothing. So if you're the type of family that travels a lot, goes to restaurants, moves from grandparents' house or friend's house quite a bit, this is going to come in handy. Highly, highly recommend. I will link the item below so you can find it quite easily. Thanks, guys. See you next time.